corners of your mouth, a frozen, awkward smile. I softly kissed your cheek. My knees were weak. We both stopped thinking of the things to come. Our limbs were twisted up. Your hair was on my chest. I softly kissed your face. My heart had raced. The morning sun was rising in the west. Your scent was in my head. Your eyes were soft and red from all the things we said. There wasn't much time. The sun grew dark and would not reappear. I held you in my arms, the last thing I would do. You whispered in my ear, I love you too. Our heartbeats slowed in quiet unison.